do America's Got Talent.
Wait. They used our voices.
What's up, dogs?
A good shot on this show, so it's a no. I didn't like it.
How do you say no and bark at the same time?
Wow, even Dog Simon is me.
It's a super no for me.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Mason, this is Delta.
This is genius. I mean, seriously, genius.
Yeah, we're being replaced by the dogs.
Oh my God. I mean, look, before we just hear from everyone else, just tell me quickly about you guys and what you do, where you got the dogs from.
So our group is called the Canine Stars. We're a team of dogs and their people, and we travel around showing people how to be really good relationships with their dogs and also promoting pet adoption.
Just to be clear, who's Howie?
This is Bow Wowie Mandel.
Bow Wowie Mandel! And where's Heidi?
I'm laying down there on the floor.
Where's Sofia? Which one's me?
That's you right there.
That's me.
That's Simon Cowell.
Simon Cowell.
Good boy. Handsome boy. Howie, what do you do? I can see you love that.
Look at me, I'm adorable.
You are adorable.
This is, I gotta say, for me, the best animal act I have ever seen on this show.
Heidi, what do you think?
I mean, the concept is just genius. It really was. The CPR at the end, too. I mean, it had so many great bits in there. It was just perfect.
It was perfect. There's nothing bad to say about it. It's so creative, so much fun. And I thought that the girl that was playing me, she did a great accent. Perfect accent.
Okay, well, look, I really got a feeling I know where this is going. Howie?
Yes!
Heidi? You brought 4 bars. Congratulations.
Come on, buddy, right here. You pooping?
He was. I did smell him farting.
Okay.
I'm Les Kimes.
And I'm Nina.
And these are performing pigs and hogs.
I got a pig at home, the pig, I'm gonna feed him home.
Pigs have always been a way of life for me since about 1.5 years old. I've always loved them.
Are you a good boy?
We adopt them from the farm when they're just a couple weeks old, and they live in the house with us. It's a lot of fun. This is Mac. He's about 4 years old now, and he's over 700 pounds. He's probably the most easygoing. This is Louie. He's a little mischievous guy.
Louie, no! What are you doing?
We're mom and dad to these guys. They're not regular pigs. They're their family members.
That's the spot, Daddy. That's the spot.
Right there.
The reason we're coming to AGT is we want our pigs to be the first performing pigs on the Las Vegas Strip.
You guys are gonna do a good job.
But they have a mind of their own. Sorry. So I'm a little nervous.
Going on the mountain, so a little king raised a song.
All right, hey guys.
Okay, hello.
All right.
And who are you?
I'm Les Kimes, my wife Nina, and these are our pigs and hogs and our family. Yeah. We live in Mayaca City, Florida. Florida. Woo! All right.
There's one getting loose.
That's right.
What is that?
Oy. No.
Look, oh, little itch.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Folks, the pork chop review.
Look how he's wagging his tail. Look at him wagging his little tail. He's so okay, the mama here.
Mother, here comes the mother.
This is the first act you've got to judge, Sofia, so...
I've never seen pigs do anything. I mean, I have one dog that we rescued. Her name is Bubbles. But she completely ignores me. So for me, it was super fun, and I want to see more.
Howie, what do you think?
I gotta say, they seem to be incredibly cared for, and they're doing tricks that traditionally we only see dogs do. This is very unique. It's exciting.
I like to too. I thought it was adorable. I've never seen, I think, a pig this size before. And in a weird way, I want to give the pig a kiss.
Can Heidi come up there and kiss your pigs?
Purely because someone told me when you kiss a pig, it's good luck.
What pig told you that?
Big boy, come around. Give a kiss to mama. Give a kiss to mama. Adorable. You want to kiss him, Sofia? Can I just touch it?
Anyway, we're gonna vote. It is a yes from me.
Simon, in all the years of judging this show, for me, this is a first. So you have your second yes?
You have 2 yeses.
I'm gonna give you a third yes. I want to see it again.
3 yeses. Sofia?
Of course, a yes.
Carrie, what are you seeing? I'm Jose. This is my dog Carrie, and we dance together. Carrie is the best dancing dog on the world. She's the perfect partner. She's full of life.
This is Carrie? Hey! You see something you like in there, Carrie?
When the Georges see Carrie, they will fall in love.
Go get him!
Hello, guys. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Hello.
What's your name, please?
I'm Jose Fuentes,
And how old are you?
58 years old.
Oh, wow.
All right.
I'm very young, no?
What is your dog's name?
Her name is Carrie.
Carrie? And what are you doing for us today?
Today, we are going to do dance.
How do you teach a dog to dance?
What got you into dancing with Carrie?
I danced as a boy. My ex-wife did not dance with me.
So you dance with Carrie?
But Carrie is the best partner dancer.
So you divorced your wife who wouldn't dance with you,
Yes.
and then bought a dog so that the dog...
Now I get it. That's why
dance with-
Carrie is wearing a dress.
Got it. Okay, this is going to be a really weird season. Good luck.
Thank you.
It's a full-on dress.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora, work your body line. Work, 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 Sinora, work it all the time. Sinora, she's a sensation, the reason for aviation. And fellas, you got to watch it. When she wind up, she bottom, she go like a rocket. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body and heist those skirts a little higher. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora.
So, did you have to teach Carrie, or did she just start dancing on her own one day?
I learned to dance with together, learn together dancing.
But that's why I'm asking. So one day you just... I'm laughing, but it's great. So one day you just discovered that you could...
No,
No, what I'm trying to say is that you found out one day that if you put on certain song, you started dancing together, yes?
Yes.
Which is, by the way, incredible. I mean, I would love my dogs to do the same thing.
Why would your wife not do that?
I wasn't expecting that.
What were you expecting?
Well, he choreographed a routine and Kerry the dog followed and jumped it back and forward and round and so I actually really liked it.
I thought it was very entertaining and a lot of fun for the first 15 seconds, and then I found myself...
Oh, come on.
Well, I'm telling you the truth. That's what happened to me.
Okay, we're going to vote. I'm going to say yes.
Ivy?
I'm sorry, I'm going to give you a no.
What?
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Mel?
I loved it. I enjoyed it. I'm going to say yes.
Howie?
It takes 3 yeses to go on.
Come on, it's so cute.
You know,
Yes!
welcome back to America. Welcome back. Good job, Carrie.
I actually think the dog liked dancing.
One day they're just sitting around the house. He looked at her, she looked at him, and it was like, let's dance.
Well, the wife's gone.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. Okay.
Welcome to Britain's Got Talent.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Andrew, and this is Rocky.
Rocky. What makes your act different?
Owl agility. Rocky is by far my most talented owl. Do have some others that can do some clever things, but he is by far the best. Owls are very difficult to train. That's why I'm the only person in the world who does owl agility. If I ask him to do something, he does his darndest to do it for me. When he performs today, it will be an amazing show.
We wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Rocks, rocks, rocks. Rocks. Turn round. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up you go. Down there. Wait, wait. Rocks. In. In. Come on. Rocks. Wrong way. Come on. Rocks. Hey, Rocky. Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Rocks. Come on. Come on. Rocky. Come on, Rocks. Hand up. Rocks. Rocks. Hey.
Sorry, hello, it's over.
Oh, well, I tried.
Do you have any comments, Simon?
Potentially one of the worst animal acts we've ever had on Britain's Got Talent.
You're like a very old, unmagical Harry Potter.
Spot on. That'll do me.
Let's vote.
Unfortunately, it's a no.
It's a no from me.
No today.
4 no's. Thank you, nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.
I was tempted to use the golden buzzer.
What?
Oh, no.
You were not.
I was.
Hello.
Hello there.
And who are you?
I'm Lynn, and this is little Mojo, my toy poodle.
Oh, he's cute. So tell me about you, Lynn. Why did you decide to enter the show?
Well, Mojo is a very, very clever, talented dog. Whether she can do it on a stage, I don't know.
Well, listen, I hope it goes well for both of you. Good luck.
Thank you. We're going to start off with a banging tune.
Let's get ready. That is a banging tune. Let's get ready, let's get ready, let's get ready to rumble. Watch us wreck the mic, watch us wreck the mic, watch us wreck the mic. Psych. Let's get ready, let's get ready. Straight up grooving, we can get you grooving. This track is grooving, it ain't no hype. Watch us wreck the mic, watch us wreck the mic, watch us wreck the mic. Psych.
Better than our dancing team, that.
Now, we're going to open some presents. So let's start with this one. Right, take the paper off then. Good girl. It's a little tiny piano, Mojo. Can you play that piano? Can you play it? Can you play it? Sing, and jump over. Good girl. So let's open this big one now. Pull the paper off. And you get it. You lucky girl. Even I haven't got a sports car. Come on, are you going to hop into this little car? Wouldn't it be fantastic, Mojo, if a handsome hunk took you for a spin in this little car? What do you think? Oh! There we go. Have a lovely evening.
Rattling along the road. They're driving the car! They're driving the car! My curiosity running wild. It's like, look, he's stealing. You were getting up.
I could fit in that.
David.
Well, Lynn, I think you're barking too.
Your dogs are just adorable.
I think they should have their own, like, kids' TV show.
I think you're missing the obvious.
What's the obvious?
That dog could learn how to play the piano.
I definitely want to see a dog play a piano and sing again, so I'm going to say yes.
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 Okay, Mojo, get into practice. Because you got 4 yeses.
Greetings. How you doing?
Hey, Nick, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Joe.
And what's the name of the act, Joe?
The Birdman.
And who is this?
This is
Lovely
Tika.
Tika.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.
My name is Joe. I'm known as the Birdman, and I train all kinds of birds to do all kinds of cool and crazy things.
What exactly are you going to do out there on the stage?
She is going to talk and sing us a couple songs. In all my years of working around birds, Tika takes the cake. She has one of the largest vocabularies of any parrot I've ever met. She says hundreds and hundreds of things. If I go to the kitchen sink, she'll ask me if I want some water. Ready? And Tika is a diva, and she gets very pampered.
Surf and bird.
I believe Tika was meant to be a performer.
Tonight, I plan to show America a talking bird like they have never seen before.
Ready, Tika? Let's get him, Tika. Have fun there, Birdman.
Don't you know about the Birdman? Everybody knows that the bird is a bird.
Hello, good evening, sir. How are you?
Hey, I'm Joe the Birdman.
Hi, Joe the Birdman. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you. Hey.
Hi.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been actually training birds for 38 years.
Who is this?
This is Tika. Tika is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot from Central America, and I rescued her a year ago, and she is just phenomenal. She's the best talking parrot I've ever met. When we pull up to drive-thru, she tries to order.
Really?
Yeah.
How great is that? So go ahead, do your act.
All right. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Are you happy? Yes, everybody is happy. You want to play some games? How about this one? Peekaboo, there you go. Here's another game, ready? Now when I touch her, it changes to... There you go. Now, Tika actually sings several songs. We're gonna start with this song. You ready? Here we go, Tika.
How does this
Sing
song
it.
go?
Hush.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry. I'm gonna buy you a mockingbird.
There you go, one more.
Oh, wow.
That's great. Let's try this one. Sing it.
Sing it. Happy birthday to you.
Mel B.
Hello, pretty girl.
Let's see you again. Yes, let's see you again.
Feeling any older? What are you going through your bills?
I'm looking at the food menu, so she told me that this place is good.
Oh, this is a good place. The menu here, if you tell the restaurant it's her birthday, we get 20% off.
Nice to meet you both, and who are you?
My name is Marina, and this is my mom, Svetlana.
And what do you do?
We train cats.
Cats?
Yes, cats.
Why? How many?
10 cats and 1 dog.
Wow.
Yeah.
That poor dog. Well, there's $1 million up for grabs and headlining Vegas, so good luck.
I hope you like. Yep, they do what they want, those cats.
You have a cat?
I used to have a cat.
seen a lot of these tricks done by dogs. I have never seen a cat do that.
Never.
Never. And the beauty of this show is that people come from all over the world to show us things we've never seen before, and you did that.
Thank you. Mel, what do you think?
That was brilliant, brilliant, brilliant.
Heidi?
Obviously, I'm also very impressed. I used to have a cat, and even if I would call her name, she wouldn't even come inside of the house.
And she left, right? You don't have her anymore.
Well, she died. That's why I don't have her anymore. She was old.
Moving on. You know why that was so impressive? Because dogs want to please. Cats are like, make me. And they had sort of like catitude. I think there's a gap in the market for this. I feel with my dog sometimes, it's like I want to take them out to see a show, and this is a show I could take them to. Howie, yes or no?
Yes for me and for all the animals in attendance.
Mel?
I really want to see what those cats are going to do next. I want to give you lessons.
I want to see you again as well. Third yes? Thank you.
You know what's coming. 4 yeses.
I got the eye of the tiger, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me.
We need more cats. Dasha, 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 Dasha.
What's that?
I don't know.
Is that a chicken?
Is it a chicken?
It is a chicken.
Hello.
No.
Hello.
Okay, what are your names?
Seihi. I'm Shannon.
And who are you here with today?
Jokgu.
Tofu?
Jokgu. Jokgu.
What is Jokgu going to do?
Mel's got it. She's going to play the keyboard and she'll play America the Beautiful.
Are you serious?
Yes,
She plays the piano.
She does.
Yes.
She's going to play that keyboard
No
right there.
way.
But
No, she's
yes, she
not.
picked it up very quickly. She's very intelligent.
Amazing. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
I can't wait to see that.
Do it.
The chicken's going to play the piano.
Good luck, baby. All right. Do your thing.
Wait a minute.
Hey, Jokgu. Chick, chick, chickie. Come on, chickie. Chick, come on, Jokgu.
Jojo, come on.
No way.
No!
That is crazy.
Is what I call talent.
Oh my God. When you feel like you've just seen it all, you have a chicken playing the song. I can't believe it.
Howie, what did you think?
What makes one think that, oh, we have a chicken, let's get a piano?
Well, we actually have a drummer as well.
Are you putting together a chicken band?
Yes, we have one.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh, can you imagine? Simon, for your label, a new band, it's all chicks.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? I think we're kind of talking as if this sort of thing normally happens. This is historic. Well, let's vote. Howie, yes or no?
Yes!
Mel?
Oh, definite yes.
Heidi?
This is literally one of the craziest things I've ever seen here on America's Got Talent. Really. I love this act. Definite yes. love it.
This is one of the most incredible things I've ever seen on any of these shows. You got 4 yeses. Congratulations.
Thank you. We'll bring you eggs next time.
History.
I don't want an encore.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
You'll never see this on any other show, and you'll never see it again.
Oh, love him.
Paul, good boy. Other Paul, good boy.
Oh.
High five. Good boy. David, any tricks?
He does do tricks, actually. Watch and weep. Here you go, Bert.
Go on, Bertie. So good.
Paul?
Oh.
Right, Squidly. Yeah. On the furniture. Where is she?
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Eat the treat.
Eat the treat.
Yes.
That's not a trick.
Yes, it is. The winner.
The winner.
The winner of Pop Idol.
No dog factor.
Is.
There's not one of them. There's 2 of them. It's Squidly and Diddley.
Oh,
It's fantastic.
This is no time to be alone.
Here's Dad.
You don't have to be alone.
Congratulations, guys. Well done.
We all wanted to say, all us judges wanted to say hello to you in person. Well done.
You never do this. You never come backstage.
I know.
We've come especially to see you. It was brave. It was emotional. How good was this?
Where's the choreographer? That was quite incredible.
Thank you.
Good for you.
Thank you. I couldn't.
Holly, you're a winner.
One job, girls. Well done.
Hey,
Yeah.
my auntie's looking for a boyfriend.
He stitched you right up.
And I think she would want you to be it.
Okay, thank you very much. You've got from Hollywood your Hollywood Walk of Fame. Well done.
Nothing. I even forgot I had it. People kept using the word legend, and in the end, it just got embarrassing. You know, like...
Can we get a
Get a
close
close-up.
up?
Oh!
What?
Put it in the bin.
We're only joking. It was a replica.